All right, man. Another old box hits salvage yard. This time we got not a Cadillac. This ain't a Cadillac, man. Somebody swapped in a Cadillac steering column and steering wheel. But we're actually in one of these. I find these hard to pronounce. What do we call them? Parisienne Brougham, Pontiac. And she's not in the best of shapes. Get that. Got telescoping and tilt, but it wouldn't have came stock with that, just for the Cadillacs. But yeah, this is an 85 model. She's hurting. I don't know how long she's been sitting, but it's been sitting for a good while. I think somebody redid the headliner. Tried to anyways. Dash cat's probably all cracked underneath this cloth covering. But yeah, man, this is rear defogger. The radio and the HVAC control panel's gone. I guess somebody was disabled on this car, I'm thinking. But yeah, let's check it out, man. This thing's hurting pretty bad. The front end is not in bad shape though. Gotta see cracks in the grill here. I see one missing. It looks to be alright. Fender, the door, front door's got some issues. You can see there. Filler panels look good though. This fender looks okay. Door looks to be, I think this one's okay. I don't know, it's got a dent right there. This is 0285. Door's gone. Brougham. It's got the vinyl top. Bumper looks to be alright. Deck lid looks to be alright, except for this. Right there. Check out the RPO codes on it. Got some that I don't know where the heck, couldn't find them. But the one thing that I thought was pretty cool on this. Although I couldn't find it on the RPO codes. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a limited slip tag on it, and this is an 8.5 rear. You know, on these B bodies, a lot of them came with the 7.5s, and yeah, this has the 8.5, which I think is a little more desirable. And it's got the small bolt pattern, the 5 by 4 3/4, as opposed to the, you know, if you got the police package or, you know, the on the station wagons that had the 5x5. The problem is, man, I think those clutches inside that posi are freaking worn out. I gotta turn it. Let's see if I can. Oh, that's right. I got it on. Oh, before I get back out there, I got it on in park. But it does have somebody put dual exhaust on it, but they crushed it. I don't know if you can see it way over there. They crushed it. Right over there. I see a couple of Flowmasters. I think they're Flows or knockoffs. This has the F41 package on it, so it has the firmer suspension. There's a rear sway bar. See what I mean? See, I'm able to turn this one. That one barely wants to turn. They're turning the same, but they're slipping over there. See that? I don't know. I don't know if it'd be worth it to grab it. Who knows? Yeah, it's probably worn out. Probably need a new posi. Ugh. But that's it, man. Just wanted to show a quick one on this one. Well, I found that these tend to have the posi in it. Some of them do. Got way more chances to find that, I think, in these Pontiacs, these Pontiac B bodies versus like the Caprices and the the Oldsmobiles. We'll never find it on the Oldsmobile. So, all right, man. I don't think there's anything else to talk about on this one. So we're out.